All right, what's up? Yo, yo. Oh man, so glad today's over. Post Fed. I didn't worry about Fed yesterday, guys. We just traded the first hour and then we don't really touch it. Even though we did kind of trade it, it's just at the end of the day, we just traded in balance. Okay, we didn't do anything crazy. We didn't move out of yesterday's range. We didn't, or the previous day's range. We didn't do any of that. At the end of the day, it was a big nothing burger. But today was awesome. Oh, let me get my fucking glasses back on, my screen glasses. Shit's killing me. I've been on screens all day. Anyways, check this out. Today was a fantastic day. Basically called the top and bottom, gave the two top and bottom levels here last night. Nothing changed coming into the open session, and we traded it really, really nice. We've got some beautiful setups for everybody in the room, and just simple, easy day of trading. So what did I say last night? Okay, I'll keep this short and sweet. I won't ramble. If you like what I'm doing, let me just say, give me a thumbs up on the video, please. Like and subscribe if you want. Leave a comment if you want. Say what's up. Hey, yo. If you like what we're doing, links in the description. Come and learn. I got an awesome crew of people. We are trading all day long. ES, NQ, gold, whatever you want, oil, levels, context, order flow. Just rocking and rolling with my team, man. 1 second here. Somebody's pinging me here. Okay. What did I say last night? This was sent at 7:30 p.m. last night. For a detailed breakdown of everything relating to today and tomorrow's plan, please watch today's recap. Absolutely. So I do an hour and a half long recap with my team every single day. We make a game plan for the next day, levels, talk order flow, replay order flow, do all this great stuff. Very involved with the team. I'm not just some idiot who's just like, I'm the man. It's not about me. It's about my guys. Please watch the video. We go over today's order flow. Okay, everything we should do every day in our trading. To put it short, okay, this is me summarizing today's game plan last night. To put it short, shorts are in a lot of trouble above 6093. Many went home short today. In post-Fed, we usually see a mass unwinding of shorts, which results in a OTF auction. Absolutely. Day of zero pullbacks. We were already back to 6093 as of this writing. Well, interesting stuff happened today, so let's go on. Ideally, if 6093 bids tomorrow and an intraday test comes of 6113, high day today, we could reject back to 93, or we accept over and punish shorts as they cover and squeeze into 32.35. That's probably coming tomorrow. What was today's high? Basically 6113. Called it. We held our intraday pivot of 54.75 yesterday. That was our call for yesterday. We held it perfectly. What was today's lows? 54.75. That's where we were long today. Could not hold below. Even after our sell from earnings, couldn't hold below. Now back to 93. Now this is key. Should we lose 93 today? Possibility of rotating back into our 64 to 54.75 range. Not looking for good for bears into the close. Doesn't look good for them now, as many short are below 74.25. Remember that level as well, as we reviewed in today's recap. So the only levels you had to worry about today for us and overall in the market, and I'll show it to you, 54.75, 74.25, 93.75, and 13. That's it. 4 levels laid out yesterday were the perfect levels to trade today. Okay, that's it. That's all you had to know. Fractal markets trading fractals, order flow confirms. Okay, let's get into the charts. I'll keep this video short and sweet. Let me shrink my mug. Okay, so what happens at the open here, right? We open and we made a run, right? We made a run. We opened and we pushed all the way to where? Almost 13.25. We saw offers come in and we closed. Okay, we closed. Why is this level here? I don't want 6,100. I don't care about it. And then we opened 10 a.m. session and we sold off hard. Now we had another level that was right here, provided us really good short opportunity. This is our bid level from yesterday at 84. So what we said on the close balance is we said we've closed below 84 and we see a massive offer step down the auction. This can provide a good short continuation opportunity down towards 54. What do? We open this session, we pull back, we test the supply, sellers sold. This was where resistance was put in today's auction. And we could see it. It was clear as day. We sold all the way down. Where did we close below? 74.25. What did I say? If we lose 74.25, it opens up what? 54.75. Where was today's lows? 54.75. We don't get a retest, but we get this massive bullish order flow session. Massive absorption. Everybody got caught short in the lows. We saw them buy this up. So we are ready to long down here at 54.75. But after we got this session closed, it's like, okay, we're going to move up our limits here. We're going to long 74.25 for a target of 93.75. I laid that out yesterday. Okay. Go back. Right. 74.25 to 93. Okay. Once we closed and reclaimed 74.25, we longed 74.25 for a target of 93.75. Look at this session, just perfection. That's all we needed. We sit through all this stuff. I mean, some guys shorted here at 84. It made sense for guys at the time to look for that short location, but we don't care about any of this. But once this happens and we reclaim this, this triggers order flow longs. This is a trigger for the market, right? It's not a fluke. We just didn't come down here to the tick and then rip and close and get the high to this tick. It's because the markets are fractal, okay? You got to understand this stuff. So this was our main trade of the day. And then we come back down, and then they put this bid in here right about 70. Now we close beneath 74.25, but we get this very strong bullish response again. And then this started one time framing. So when we get this, this is short covering. It's very tough to get a fill if you're taking fills like I do. And I basically just kind of surrender the rest of the day and be like, I'm not going to get a fill. It's not going to pull back. Because we know what happens in this auction, right? It never pulls back. But when we got, what I was really watching for the rest of the day was a 2 p.m. close over 93.75. And I was going to long 93.75 on a 2 p.m. close. The 2 p.m. close every day is very significant. It's very important, just like the 10 a.m. close, right? 9:30 session, the 10 a.m. close, 10 a.m. open. For me, it's based around 4-hour sessions, right? You need to observe the close in a fractal framework based around that time frame close, what the order flow is telling you. So once we got this push through here at 93, I'm like, okay, cool. Our limit sat out here for almost 2 hours and we couldn't get a fill because they started bidding 98 very aggressively, right? Like, yes, people were selling 6,100, but like we saw this bid at 98. I'm like, well, fuck. We should get a tap at the level, right? We just leave the limit out there. If it fills us, it fills us. We don't care about 98. We're not trying to buy it up here because our level's 93.75. It's there for a reason. So it doesn't fill us. And it just goes all the way up to where? Look at this. 13.25, level I laid out last night. We look above. And then this session closes right on 13.25. Could not get the close. What happens? Tariff news and all this stuff comes out and gets drilled right off where? 13.25. It's not a coincidence. Okay. Sure, timing, you say, oh, it's a coincidence. This close on this level is not a coincidence. This close from open from 74.25 perfectly to 93.75 is not a coincidence. This is how the markets move. Okay. And yes, we sold off all the way down here, and oh, there's my kid. And then we got bought all the way back up. And the order flow in this 10-minute close, when we sold off, like, this is a violent candle. But when we closed this 10-minute above 84, we actually went long on this session because we're like, the amount of buying that took place below 82 was insane. And we closed this very strong 10-minute bar back above our 84 level, and we just continued to move up. But overall, that was our day. It was a perfect day. And we called the top and bottom of the market yesterday for today. The main levels, 54, 74, 93.75, and 13.25. Those levels were laid out yesterday. Fantastic game plan. Overall, in this market, we're in a zone in order flow that is developed all the time. It's a rotational zone. So this is why you're seeing this price action here like this, guys. We're going up, we're going up, we're going up, we're going down, we're going up, we're going down, we're going up, we're going down. This is by design. This is an area fractally that we expect rotation until we can close outside 32 or we can close below 54. This is why you're seeing this price action. And this is why we're prepared for this two-way up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, because there's no balance to the auction. Right? We expect choppy rotational crap until, again, we close above 32 or we close below 54. And I mean daily closes. So that's it. Fantastic day. I'm going to keep it short there. If you want to come learn, you want these awesome game plans, maybe you don't want to learn all these numbers, but you want to have access to, my watch list and my actionable levels and how I approach the market and kind of learn that side of it, click the link in the description, come hang out. It's a small team. I'm super active with my team all day long. I don't care if you join or not, but if you want to actually challenge yourself, come and hang out. I'll come to school. I'll put it on you. See what you're made of. Come and learn. It's a good time, man. It's a good place to come and challenge yourself. So other than that, I'm looking forward to Friday. We'll see if we rip this thing to 32 or not, or see if we pull the plug and rotate back down to 54. So other than that, I'm gonna go run some laps here and spend the evening with my kids. So I appreciate you watching. Short video today. Awesome day for the team. Awesome day for Orderflow. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. And I'm gonna get my ugly mug off your screen. All right. Peace.